Can we use a voice changer on Facebook Messenger during a call? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can use a voice changer on Facebook Messenger during a call. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this video, I have installed a voice changer already from my app store. You can do that too. So simply head over to your app store, search for voice changer, and there you should find different voice changers. The one I've downloaded is this one right here. You can download any one other as well. It's completely up to you. Now after you've downloaded it, you can open it up and you can check it out. You can check out different voices and stuff like that. Now what you'll have to do is we'll just head over to our Messenger app and start a call. Now what we'll do here is we'll just play around with the settings. Let's check the settings out. Tap on the three dots on the top right and head over to call settings. Right there you will see your microphone mode. If you head over there, you will see different options such as voice isolation, wide spectrum, automatic and stuff like that, but no option for a third-party voice changer app. So yeah, you can head over to your audio output as well. And yeah, that I hope that answers your question. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video. So what we found here is that we cannot actually change our voice during a call in our Messenger app. You can use a third-party microphone or stuff like that to just change it outside and just talk to people with them, but there is no direct way. And that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.